Welcome to Network Bit. This is my first tutorial for SQL Query with MS SQL. This is my first part for MS SQL Queries. So, first we need to know what is SQL. SQL is a structured query language and designed to work with database, and it been around for a really long time, and it is used in individual and corporate servers, and there are a lot of database tool in internet market, and most popular database is MySQL, PostgreSQL, MS SQL Server, MariaDB, Oracle. We work with MS SQL. Okay, first I open MS SQL database. I think you know how to MS SQL the database setup and configure. I think you know this. If you don't know this, please search this tutorial in my channel. Okay, I connect my database. Good, it is connected. So today I doing on simple tutorials. This is first day, so I showing you how to create table. If you can, if you want it manually created table. If you don't want, you can also this table created with query. So first I showing how to using query you can create table. New queries, I click new queries, then type create create space data base BASE and give database name networking working bit and execute. Wait, yes, this command completed success, so I reload and check. Yes, it's created. Good. Now I'm showing how to manually you can create database. First I clicked on database and then click new database and type database name networking bit 2 and click OK. Yes, it's also created successfully. So viewers, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and I will publish the next video and next part, so stay with us. Thank you for watching my tutorial.